It's time for the newest subscription reveal from Planything. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and it is that time where I get to share with you the beautiful new subscriptions from Planything. So these are open to subscribe on March the 15th when you are seeing this video. If you sign up, if you grab one of those slots, these are the first sets you will receive, and they're pretty awesome. We have a washi tape subscription and also a planner goodie subscription that I cannot wait to open with you. So again, March the 15th, I do have an affiliate link. My coupon code doesn't work with subscriptions. It does work with other purchases on the Planything website, so make sure to check that out. And if you do plan to sign up, if you were to use my affiliate link, it would help me out so much. All right, let's dive in and see what is in these beautiful bags. Okay, I like to start with the washi tape subscription. This one I think is probably, I'm guessing this one's pretty popular based on what you all have told me. A lot of you have signed up for this subscription because it's just so, oh, look at that. It's so good for stocking some like standard beautiful washi tapes. They're not going to be so specific. It's just for covering your bases. This is like the way to go. You get 6 washi tapes, 2 of the like medium ones, 4 of the skinny ones. We have a beautiful grid. We have some beautiful leaves, the scallop, my favorite, a couple of different florals, and the pink hexies. I'm going to open these up and swatch them out so we can check them out. All right, here are our 6 washi tapes all swatched out. I love this green. It is like a bluish green, kind of a calming green. Love that. The pink is beautiful. I'm surprised. I really like the florals. Usually I'm not big on floral washi, but this pink one especially feels like a little tropical, bright, and I like the white, how it just disappears on the background. So beautiful. Really excited about all of the new washis, and I'm hoping that they will also go with some of the other goodies that are in the planner subscription. So this is the washi tape subscription. You receive these 6 washis, and then you get brand new washis sent to your doorstep every month, which I would not argue with. I think that that's a fabulous idea. All right, let's check out the other subscription bag. Okay, subscription number 2 is a little bit more hefty, I would say. Has some more goodies inside. I think this is called the planner subscription. There are, yay, there's always a sticker book, which I can't wait to check out. Okay, here's what is in the planner subscription. First of all, how stinking cute. Cute little house, a little post-it notepad. I love having these post-its around, and it's fun to get to change it out with the seasons. I use them all the time for all the things. So digging that. Then we get 3 additional washi. So these are going to be different than the washi tape subscription. If I am correct, I'm thinking these washis are not available individually. Now, Planything, Amber has a ton of washi tape available on her website. Like I said, she is kind of the queen of like the basics that are kind of a must have, I think, in your collection. Look at the clouds, you guys. Stop. That is so cute. So she has a bunch, but the ones that are in the subscription kits, I think at least at first are only available through the subscription kit. So keep that in mind. And they don't overlap. So this one is different than the subscriptions that we checked out earlier. The grass. Stop. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait. I'm pretty excited about this. And then this is so smart. This one is like bricks. These are so cute. Let me just get this unwrapped. They're just so, I'm really excited. This one is all about houses and scenes, which are very fun to put together. And I think it'll be fun to play with. Okay. And there's our like sidewalk slash wall. So stinking cute. This kit, kind of almost worth it just for the washi tape. Like this might be some of my favorite washi tape that we've gotten in these kits. I love that. Okay, so 3 washies. You get the Post-its, you get the 3 washies. Love this one. This is so adorable. And then you get some other goodies as well. These are dashboards, papers. They are sized for like an A5 planner. So here are what we have. Okay, my happy place. Beautiful in the back. Home is where the heart is. So cute. And then dream, oh my goodness, dream big. Yes, please. I want to live there. So pretty. So I've gotten some questions recently about what do you do with these? A couple of things. First of all, you can punch them just like they are and pop them straight into your planner. If you have a classic size planner, these are going to be a little bit smaller, but they're still fun to just have maybe as note taking or just extra inspiration. You could put this on a larger sheet of paper for a classic size or grande size planner. That's 7 by 9¼ inches, and then punch that and then use it as a full on dashboard in your planner. You can use these as decoration. You can use the backs as just kind of regular scrapbook paper that you would use to decorate spreads in different ways. There are all kinds of ways to use these. And I think it's fun that she gives us just a few papers to play with. It's a great way to kind of experiment and dabble with some scrapbook paper. And these coordinate beautifully with pretty houses. The sticker book, I'm so pumped. Oh, look at the back. That's cute. I feel like that's different. I love that. Okay. So brand new sticker book. Again, only available in the subscription kit, at least at first. If she has extra, sometimes she's able to sell these individually, but a lot of times they sell out with the subscription kit. This one is going to be so good. Pretty houses. No one does houses and scenes better than Amber from Planything. She always knocks it out of the park. Look at how gorgeous and dreamy these cottages are. I love it. This is on clear sticker paper. Perfect for putting together all kinds of little scenes in your planner. I love the country, or sorry, the city vibe here with all kind of the row houses. Very cute. Love. And then you have the trees. You can put together your little park scene. I like this burst of pink in there. So cute. Just romantic little houses. I think they're beautiful. I love all of the scenes. So good. You do get a few functional stickers in with each set. These are on white sticker paper. Amber tends to do smaller scale stickers. So in general, these are a little bit smaller. These are perfectly functional. You just don't get the big double boxes or the full vertical. These are perhaps my favorite. Love the colorful city. Super cute. These are adorable. This is awesome. And then look at this grand. That is a dream big house. My goodness. Wow. Oh, the pool. This is kind of perfect as I start house hunting soon. Craziness. It's a little inspiration. Some more functional stickers. And then, if I'm right, yep, we have some quotes in the back. Today is a good day for a good day. I love that. Dream, plan, do. Be happy, be bright, be you. Life is an adventure. Enjoy the journey. Every day is a new beginning. Let your dreams be bigger than your fears. Love that. So you get a couple pages of quotes. Beautiful. I'm a sucker for all the houses. I think they are so cute. Absolutely wonderful. So that is what you get as part of the regular planner subscription kit. I love it. So again, these subscriptions open up. This one is all for the washi. These subscriptions open up on March the 15th. Make sure to check out the affiliate link down below if you're going to go sign up. And I'm pretty excited. Let's do a plan with me because I can't not use these city houses. They are too good to not use. So it's time to plan. Let's go. Okay, so today I'm going to plan in the quad layout in my creative journal for the first week of March. And I could not resist using this washi tape like in the absolute most obvious way. I'm sure that there are wonderful creative ways to use this in different, I'm like, I have to put the clouds at the top and the grass at the bottom. It just was too perfect. It kind of reminds me of like Mario with the clouds kind of scrolling at the top, like old school Mario. So clouds at the top, we're going to do that. We're going to put the grass at the bottom. And then of course I'm going to make some cute little city scenes. This definitely feels a little bit like city in the springtime because of all the florals coming out. I love Washington, D.C. in the spring because of the cherry blossoms. They are gorgeous. And this definitely is giving that vibe, although there's not all those same colorful houses. There are some spots in Washington, D.C. that have beautiful, bright, colorful houses, but definitely not everywhere. All right, so we're going to do the grass at the bottom. This is the quad layout. This is a fabulous layout for journaling, for simple plans. If you don't have a lot of tasks and to-do lists, this is a great, great layout for that. I like to use it for my creative journal where I just jot down a few thoughts each and every day on how I'm feeling in the morning. Just kind of gets me centered and ready to go for the day. All right, so we got our sky, we got our grass, and now I'm going to add our little pavement. I'm using this as the road. It's kind of like the wall. It's the brick pattern, but we're going to do the brick road. I'm going to start with it just in a few of the boxes. And then I kind of changed my mind because we all know that I love a very full spread, and I couldn't just leave boxes blank. I couldn't do it. It just didn't make sense. In retrospect, I wish that I had done washi tape across the boxes. And you're going to see that here in a minute. I did these 4 boxes at first. And then as I started to get going, I was like, nope, I need to add washi tape to the other boxes as well. So we're going to add washi tape in there. And then I'm also going to have to like bridge the gap a little bit. You'll see as I start to think, where am I going to put these? I'm figuring out where the houses are going to go. That's when I'm like, yep, let's fill this in. I wanted to create almost like these little streets where all the houses were going to live. And it just made sense. I mean, why would the street be divided up? That just doesn't, you need a path that connects different houses. P.S. I do apologize if you hear banging in the background of this voiceover. Speaking of houses, we are having some work done to our house. So there's lots going on here, there, and everywhere in this house. So there will probably be some construction noises kind of sneaking in over the next couple of weeks. All right, see, I needed to fill that gap because our house, like I wanted to put one in the middle and it didn't make sense. So I had to anyway, a whole thing. I wish I had just put one big strip. It doesn't bug me that there's like this little overlap. I think it's fine. You don't really tell in person. It shows up a little bit differently on the camera. All right, so I'm going to grab some whiteout and do a little bit of whiteout on the vertical lines and then put down a house. I went with trying to balance this out. Here's what my thought was. On this top row on the left, I did something in the middle, a little cluster in the middle. In the bottom row on the left, I'm doing things on the sides. So it's kind of making a little triangle. Then on the opposite side of the spread, on the right side of the page, I'm going to do the opposite where I have on the top row, there's 2 houses to the sides, and on the bottom row it's in the middle. It's kind of creating a pattern that is also helping me balance the weight of where all of these houses are going to be located. I definitely wanted to bring in trees too because we have the beautiful houses. Let's make it a beautiful city block, shall we? Bigger trees at the bottom near the bigger houses, and little trees up higher near the smaller houses. It's just, I love this sweet scene. I don't know that it I don't know that it screams creative journal, but it screams a happy sound for me. So I really, really like it. Let me add a few more houses here at the top. Oops, ripped that sticker. That's okay. It went back. I love clear stickers because they're very easy to kind of place back together. So it was fun playing with all these houses. I like creating the little scenes. I like kind of envisioning the places that these houses could be. I think that is one of the pluses of Amber. She is in the Netherlands and she offers a different perspective in her stickers than I think we get from all of the same sticker companies in the US. So it's nice to kind of feel this kind of travel vibe and this European vibe through some of these houses and some of the scenes that you can create with amber stickers. And this particular subscription is no different. I think it is beautiful, and I think she does such a fabulous job laying out all of these sticker books. Now, once I complete these little scenes with some trees, because you don't want the house without the trees, I am going to bring in some functional boxes just here and there, some of the smaller ones, and this will allow me to add a quote of the day or a word or a highlight, something like that. So we'll include a few of those throughout, and then that will be it for this planner spread. Last little thing I'm going to need to do is go ahead and date it. I'm going to pull stickers actually from Mojo Jojo Plans, an old dated sticker book from Mojo, to add the dates. I chose green for this just for another little pop of bright color. As a reminder, this new subscription opens up March the 15th. When you see this video, that means it's available. Check out the affiliate link down below. Head on over to Planything and see if you can nab one of those subscription spots, either for the planner subscription or for the washi tape subscription. Both are excellent values. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. And I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon community. Thank you all for being amazing. If you're looking for a creative community that's ready to cheer you on, full of extra exclusive content and amazing challenges, Patreon is the place to be. You can head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find out more. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.